if you're struggling with a broken zipper on your favorite pair of jeans. Don't worry, you're not alone. Zipper issues are common, but the good news is that most of them can be fixed at home with a little patience and a few simple tools. Let me walk you through how to fix a zipper in jeans so you can get them back into your wardrobe rotation. First, identify the problem. Is the zipper stuck, not closing properly, or has the slider come off? Each issue requires a slightly different approach, but most can be resolved without too much hassle. Let's tackle them one by one. If the zipper is stuck, chances are there's fabric, thread, or debris caught in it. Start by gently examining the zipper teeth for anything obstructing them. Use a pair of tweezers to carefully remove any threads or debris. Then apply a small amount of lubricant, like graphite from a pencil or a drop of dish soap to the teeth. Gently wiggle the zipper slider up and down to free it. Be patient. Forcing it might damage the zipper further. For a zipper that won't close properly, the slider might be loose or misaligned. In this case, take a pair of pliers and gently squeeze the slider to tighten it. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much pressure can break the slider. After tightening, test the zipper to ensure it runs smoothly. This simple adjustment often solves the issue of a zipper that separates after being zipped. If the slider has completely come off the zipper track, don't panic. Start by reattaching it to the teeth at the bottom of the zipper. Ensure both sides of the track are aligned, and carefully guide the slider back onto the teeth. If the stopper at the bottom is damaged, you can sew a temporary stopper using thick thread to secure the zipper. This is an effective temporary fix that will keep your jeans wearable until you can replace the zipper entirely. Sometimes the teeth themselves might be bent or misaligned, making it impossible for the zipper to function. In this situation, use pliers to gently realign the teeth. If some teeth are missing, unfortunately, you may need to replace the zipper altogether, which is a bit more complex, but still doable with a needle and thread, or a sewing machine. Knowing how to fix a zipper in jeans can save you both time and money, not to mention the frustration of having to part with your favorite pair. Regular maintenance, like ensuring the zipper is clean and free of debris, can also help prevent future issues. If these fixes seem overwhelming, don't hesitate to visit a tailor or repair shop. They deal with zipper problems all the time, but with a little effort and the steps outlined here, you'll likely be able to handle it yourself. I hope this guide on how to fix a zipper in jeans helps you get your jeans back in action. Let me know if you have any other repair questions.